Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trello Butler automations for recurring workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Trello board where you want to set up automations. Click on the Show menu button in the upper right corner of your board. Select Automation from the options in the menu. Then click on Butler to access the Butler automation feature. In the Butler menu, look for the Create Command option. Choose Calendar from the list of available command types. Select Due Date to create automations related to task deadlines. Click on Add Trigger to set up the conditions for your automation. Choose the trigger that suits your recurring workflow, such as when a due date is reached. Next, decide what action you want Butler to perform. Click on Add Action to explore the available options. You can choose to move cards, create checklists, or add labels based on your needs. After selecting your desired action, specify any necessary details. For example, if you want to move a card to a specific list, choose the target list from your board. Continue adding any additional actions or conditions as needed. Once you're satisfied with your setup, review the command overview. Then, click on Save Command to finalize your automation. To test your automation, create a test card with a due date that meets your trigger condition. Observe whether Butler performs the actions you specified. If everything works smoothly, your recurring workflow is now automated. You can revisit the Butler menu anytime to edit or delete your commands. Explore additional automation types for even more efficiency in your workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.